Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the TTM Scalper Indicator for MT4. This custom tool from the Trade the Market suite highlights short-term price trends and potential reversal points using color-coded visual cues designed specifically for high-frequency scalping strategies. In this video, you will see how the TTM Scalper works, how signals are presented, and which trading strategies are described. The TTM Scalper Indicator is a custom technical analysis tool designed to highlight short-term price trends and potential reversal points, with TTM standing for Trade the Markets, associated with the original creators of the indicator suite. At its core, the indicator doesn't rely on complex calculations on multiple time frames, instead marking potential turning points using a straightforward approach that colors price bars or candles based on trends and momentum. In MT4, the indicator typically appears as a series of colored lines or histograms overlaid on the price charts, often above or below the candlesticks, with blue lines or bars indicating potential upward moves or buy signals, and red lines or bars signaling potential downward moves or sell signals. On the charts, as you can see, the TTM Scalper eliminates unnecessary clutter and provides a clean interface for rapid analysis with its minimalistic color-coded signal system. You can see over here a blue line representing an upward move and a red line for a downward move, as you can see over here. The indicator is particularly adept at highlighting areas where the current trend may be weakening, offering clues that a reversal or pullback could occur, which is essential for scalpers who need to exit positions quickly. These signals are not definitive trade instructions, but rather alerts that merit further investigation, often used in conjunction with other tools like support and resistance levels, Fibonacci retracements, or oscillators. As for the settings, the underlying logic involves detecting changes in price momentum and trend direction, widely believed to be based on a combination of average price ranges, volatility, and potentially moving averages. Traders can adjust parameters to fine-tune the sensitivity of the signals, allowing the indicator to align with their unique trading style and the volatility characteristics of different currency pairs or time frames. The indicator can be used across various time frames, though it is most effective on lower intervals such as the 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15-minute charts, where scalping opportunities are most abundant. As for who is for, the TTM Scalper is suitable for traders focused on short-term opportunities, including scalpers and intraday traders who need fast signal generation, improved chart readability, and versatility across different time frames. Common strategies include trend following entry, where traders wait for a sequence of similarly colored bars before entering in the direction of the trend, reversal trading when color changes after prolonged trends, and breakout scalping when combined with support, resistance, or consolidation zones. However, like any momentum-based tool, it can generate false signals during periods of low volume or choppy market conditions, has no predictive power as it analyzes existing price behavior rather than forecasting future movements, and should not be used as a standalone signal provider, requiring sound risk management and other confirmation tools. You can download the TTM Scalper Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the clean visual design and ability to highlight potential reversals make this tool particularly appealing for scalpers who thrive in fast-moving trading environments. If you like custom scalping indicators with color-coded signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.